Good morning students. Myself Savita Kulkarni. As we have started with your 10th standard portion. So 10th standard chemistry we have started the lesson chemical reactions and the equations. In the previous classes we have checked how to write the chemical equations because there are some particular way of presenting the chemical equations. So that all we have discussed. We started with the next part of this lesson, that is balancing of the chemical equations. Balancing of chemical equations. Yes students, and few examples we have checked also how to balance the chemical equations. And few equations I gave you as a homework. Let us solve those. Hope you might have tried and you have balanced those equations. Just check it students. So the next one, NH3 plus H2SO4 gives NH4 twice SO4. This was the equation. Hope you remember, right? See, NH3, yes, plus H2 gives NH4 twice SO4. Now first, what is the first step students? You have to check the number of elements. Nitrogen, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen, right? This side, product side also, nitrogen, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay. Nitrogen. How many atoms are there? 1. Sulfur. How many are there? 1. Coming to the hydrogen. Do you find here? Yes. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Total 5 hydrogen atoms are there. What about oxygen? 4. So product side, it is NH4 twice. I told you how to do. So see students, if you are writing NH4 means 1 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. But this you are multiplying with a 2. What is the meaning? This 2 you are multiplying with nitrogen. This 2 you are multiplying with the number of hydrogen atoms. Right? Now tell me how many nitrogen atoms will become? 2. Sulfur 1, hydrogen 4 2s are 8 atoms, oxygen 4. Hope you are understanding students? Yes. Now see what you can do. 1 nitrogen, that is 2. Okay, 1 sulfur, 5 hydrogen, 8 hydrogen. Here it is 4 oxygen, that side it is 4 oxygen. So let me start with the nitrogen then. So this nitrogen I will multiply with 2 so that I can get it 2. Right? So where I should write that 2? This side. If I write 2 here, 2 nitrogen, as soon as any number you will write students, you have to check the full equation. Right? So 2 nitrogen, 3 2s are 6 nitrogen. Sorry, 3 2s are 6 hydrogen plus 2. So total 8 hydrogen it has become. So 2 nitrogen, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen. The equation is balanced. Hope you are understanding students? Yes. Shall we try the next one? Take down. Took this equation? Fine. C3H8, the next one, C3H8 plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water. Carbon dioxide plus water. What is the first step students? Check the elements. Here what are all the elements you find? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Correct? So this side carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen how many students? 2 plus 1. So total 3 atoms of oxygen are present. Now balance the equation. What can you do? 3 that side 1. Can I multiply that with the 3 first? Okay. So let me write 3 here. If I write 3 here, 3 carbon, 3 2s are 6 oxygen plus 1, 7 oxygen. This side it is 2 only. Right students? Okay. Then what about the remaining? Hydrogen 8, that side hydrogen 2. So let me multiply this with 4 so that I can get it 4 2s are 8. So where I should write that 4? Correct? What is the meaning if you write 4 there? You are multiplying this 4 with hydrogen as well as with the oxygen. So here count the number of hydrogen now. 4 2s are 8. Here already 8 are there. Okay. What about oxygen? 3 2s are 10 plus 4 1s are 4. So total 14 has become. So this 14, what can I do now? This side how many are there? Only 2 are there. So what better we can do? Hey, sorry. 6 plus 4, 10. Not 14. 6 plus 4, 10 are there. So what can I do? This 2 let me multiply with the 4, 5, 5 2s are 10. So this let me write the 5. Now check the full equation once again students. 3 carbon, 5 2s are 10 oxygen, 3 2s are 6 plus 4, 10 oxygen, 8 hydrogen, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen. Equation is balanced? Yes. Next one students, let us try still more so that you are getting different conditions and you can understand how to solve with the different conditions. Yes students, I have given here one more equation to balance. The equation is Fe2O3 plus H2SO4 gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus H2O. So what is the first step students? You have to check the elements Fe, yes, hydrogen, oxygen. How many iron are present here? 2, sulfur 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 3 plus 7, 4. Means 7. Okay. Coming to the product side. First write the name of the elements. Iron, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay. Iron. See students, Fe2SO4 thrice. Is this bracket for iron? No, it is only for SO4. So this 3 you are multiplying with sulfur and oxygen but not with the iron. Keep it in the mind. Okay. So iron 2 atoms, sulfur 3, hydrogen 2, oxygen 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 atoms. Hope you are understanding students. Yes, now you have to balance this. Iron 2, okay, sulfur and sulfur 3. So let me multiply this one with the 3 first. Where I should write these 3 students? I have to write it here. So 3 sulfur, but what about hydrogen? 3 2s are 6 it has become. This side it is 2, okay. Oxygen, 3 2s are 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3, it has become 15. That side it is only 13. Now hydrogen and oxygen both I have to balance students. So what I will do, this 2 let me multiply with the 3. 3 2s are 6. So this 3 I will write it here. 3 2s are 6. So this one is balanced. Let us count the oxygen. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, it has become 15. Oxygen 15. Can you understand? 6. Right, students? Yes. Like this, we have to balance the chemical equations because matter cannot be changed. We can change it but cannot be created nor be destroyed. So you have to balance the number of atoms on both the sides. Reactant side as well as product side, you have to balance it. Okay, students? Take down few equations as your homework, which you have to solve. Take down, students. C4H10 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Next one, CuO plus NH3 gives Cu plus N2 plus H2O. Right? Al plus O2 gives Al2O3. Balance these equations, students, as your home assignment. The lesson we will continue in our next class. Okay, students? Thank you.